You fucking with the team. You feel me? It's like
y'all know what's going on, man. We getting this shit together, man. It's real talk. That's how you live. Make sure you go. I need you to pull up.
Gotta get my boy Bam right. You know, splice him up, get him right. You know what I'm saying? When last time you had a cut?
Yeah, last show.
Wanna fuck with that?
Huh? Fucking, what, this nigga, November 13th?
What you thinking about this house so far?
It look real good.
Y'all finna see, boy. I finna get that nigga right, man. That nigga ain't gotta top it. 2 months, 3 months.
Let that bitch sit up there, nigga. Real talk, nigga. Tripping.
Dead in the
shit. I'm gonna tap
oh, in there? Yeah, bro. They look
sound good. I ain't gonna feel it, but I appreciate that, though. All right, bit. See, that's what you should have been to it, though. Niggas, they ain't telling me shit like this. But I have bass chopped everything, so basically a nigga can record in this house too. We finna put a counter right there.
Yeah, see, that's smart, cause that's where I was recording.
Yeah.
And
lounge. See how we up here chilling? We gonna be over that chilling. Niggas gonna be over here recording. Niggas stay over here recording.
You know that house sound good because it feels different when you walk in. Like your ears automatically get lighter on your ears. You know what I'm saying?
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. I ain't fool. So we gonna take it up there. I'm gonna let you hear this song.
Nigga, I wanna see some shit at 6. I'm on my mouth from 6. Put the sign with this message. I'ma shoot a video. I let go that group. Fucking on her in my home. I been doing that shit too long. And then cook on match my outfit. It's all green, ain't no chrome. Before 5 to stop my motor. Bitch, if me hit your dog.
But see, once like you get that shit and you calibrate those two, they gonna hit different. You can see with that whole right. It's gonna tune it. The big difference is when the spot that we had before, he had left them there for me, but he came and calibrated them, and I could listen to those mixes versus my mixes now, and those ones is
totally different.
Totally different. You know what I'm saying? More in depth. You know what I'm saying? You hearing shit the way you're supposed to, and it's not as hard on your ears because it's set up.
I'm gonna get them how like 1,600. I'm gonna get one next month, and I'm gonna get one.
It's worth it though.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm trying to. I'm gonna have all that shit now. You want to touch the feed. Just hit the square. That shit go straight to the account, bro. I ain't trying to keep track of that shit, huh?
Where you been printing at? Or you been doing
shit? I got to be out here.
I didn't know that post shit was this. You got big voice like this? Oh, it's tough. This shit hard. We gotta do a collab, Key. Yeah, we can. Look at the pen at the bottom. Open up the cup right there. Stop playing. Some bitch is hard. Sway on this side. I'm about to rock that bitch, even though it's all rainbow. That bitch don't sit all the way back. No, hard.
Fuck my shit up, man.
Alright, that was fuck with you. Alright, good shit.
Alright.
With all these places, there's
Yo, you came around all the way right.
For real.
That's what I get for one. But I know you gonna fix it. Let's keep talking and do that. That's what I'm saying.
Do some shit. Really, I want to do some shit next month.
Yeah, side by side.
Next month taxes start. I think I'm gonna wait till March though. I'll probably do it like during that time, or right after South Pole and shit. I don't know. I want to have my actual 3 months to promote it this time for what I want. But I was also thinking just to do a smaller venue and like make it a pop up for the mobile shit too. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's gonna pay for the music.
That's what you were thinking about going over there. Yeah, I'm trying to do with the brand, bro. Turn that bitch all the way up.
Nah, they sold out every time I drop. Like, damn, they're too fast.
Every time I ain't said that, they can't fit that shit. It was like damn, I got some D's and shit. Like, a lot of niggas can't fit them hard. I gotta get some young niggas in my shit.
Like too small type shit.
Apple Music is not taking my shit, man.
Why?
I think Bill had ran out like shit.
Right. Better that shit happen while you young. You'll be old and dumb too.
Vaccines are the best protection for your child. But it's okay to have questions. So ask your doctor which ones are right for your family.
I was staying like not far from Tallahassee for a minute. In the studio I go to, that nigga will go to. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta set the tone for the beginning, for the first quarter, first 2 quarters. You know what I'm saying? Halftime is gonna be easy.
That's what we was coming from. We was editing the first video I'm gonna drop. I was supposed to drop a song today, but my distribution was fucking tripping. I need to update my partner.
You got the distro?
Yeah. This one that I want to switch to, but it's just the thing about that distribution is you need a lot of lead time. Like they want damn near a month of lead time before you drop with them. But they're supposed to like do real aggressive like playlisting.
Like you in the playlist.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They're supposed to like really get you to it.
So like if a similar artist come over, your shit'll come over.
Yeah, they'll get you put. They're supposed to. They can't guarantee you get playlisted, but they're supposed to try to get you into good shit. You know what I'm saying? Like they're supposed to get your Spotify, like get you put on the discovery page and all that shit, so you get more engagement. Like the tan camo bear one. I'm gonna do it on the black shirt with white gray and black camo bear. Yeah, same like big looking one we did. I'll probably do some hoodies too. Yeah. The shirt you bought? Yeah, you put it on.
Well,
We just got
pay for the printer.
We just got a 4 color right now. The printer is I don't know what my partner paid for it. It's holidays printing. Yeah. Let's do it. We need that.
Like how many y'all can do type shit?
Right now we got a 4 color, so we can only do up to 4 colors. But like 4 different color inks. And then but I mean it just depends on how many you want. It's not the order has to be crazy big for it to be too big, you know what I'm saying? Just the bigger the order, the longer it's gonna take.
Yeah, why you trying to get first? I'm laughing. You want to know. When I sling off for the left hand quick. When I sling off my home, like my sister and my homegirl. I'm gonna let my niggas decide that. He said, I'm like, I'm gonna let my niggas decide that.
That type shit nigga.
You got the embroidery in the shoe too.
You got the embroidery.
I got you. It's okay, baby. That little eat trip. What do you mean for you?
Somebody like that, bro.
I think what it is somebody had said it the other day, like team-wise, but even just people, you know what I'm saying? The people, it's like, you can't even go looking for them, you gotta attract them. You know what I'm saying? That's just, like, I was working a minute before I met him. As soon as we locked in, it was like we was just on the same shit.
Yeah, another shit. He turned you up, you turn him up.
And then the pieces you had,
You know what I'm saying? He turned you up.
exactly, go hand in hand. And then the pieces you add around that, it gotta do the same thing.
Yeah, it gotta be in the hand.
And see, I met these two. It was did you ever go up to Davies?
Yeah.
I met, they used to work at Davies. Holiday was the main printer in the print shop, and then he was one of the creators. I was with that bitch 11 years. Yeah, wow. But it was already like the end of that shit. I wasn't fucked up about it. Too bad. I just got in the car and shot to Houston.
Yeah, right.
I got out there, nigga. My whip situation went to fucking shambles like immediately. So like within 5 days, I ain't had no whip. Nigga, and then I had set up a play to do a bunch of shows with this nigga named Smooth Vega from Dallas. I spent some money with him. He started putting me on all these shows, but all over the place, like Houston, Dallas, Fort Worth, San Antonio. Like boom, like as soon as I ain't had no whip, I had to be everywhere. And the night before I went back to Houston, I met this she was dancing in Perfect Ten. She was in there helping me get like rentals wherever we needed to get. And if it wasn't her, it was somebody else. Like I never told nobody I couldn't get there. That nigga was with me the whole time, like from Dallas to Detroit.
That's hard. Yeah, I'm by myself,
We find we can go further with less. Cities scared, full of panic.
Yeah, recess after hours tomorrow, like during the regular. More than like.
It's your chance at home to win $50,000. It's a lot of money.
Putting a lot of that shit. Yeah, you know when niggas looking at you a certain way. Bitch, that burn. Oh, damn. You should smoke it, bro.
That real barbershop. You know you just left the barbershop now.
I don't know.
You make this one too?
You don't want to know what I'm finna go get. I just had tofu for the first time in my life the other day.
Yeah, so you know what I mean.
Change, I'm still getting brain in my Adidas. Niggas switched up, now they gotta watch me from the bleachers. It's all love, but you know I'm taxing for that feature. All that flexing, we ain't seen shit with your cabin ass. You so fucking cap, I bet your mama ain't your daddy cap. How you talk too much, move around me with your chatty ass. Say make a coochie with her. I gotta watch how I show my heart. I gotta watch where I get my trust. I don't wanna live in the past, it's what it is, and fuck what it was. Clean first, we the glistens. Fucking I was slick, he made the bitch take Vito on the team.
Tomorrow, give me some food, bro.
Shit on here.
Yeah.
I got a pair of what's it called? What this shit's called? I don't forgot the console expensive though. But damn, what the fuck I got? You got a Davies again?
Yeah, you talking about the Willows?
Yeah, I got a
folk
pair
house?
of them hoes.
Sheesh. The beats I made on those speakers, those ones at Davies, I can always tell like where I made them.
Keep what's up, bro?
Cause you get more bold with your sounds, you know what I'm saying?
shit.
Like,
Them hoes really fun. Lay back.
A PS5 and a lockbox.
Take
Man, we gonna start on that how this week, Keith.
Nigga, I had a PS5, nigga, they stole that shit from the last one.
Shit, you gotta put that on. Like how they used to have that GameStop. That motherfucker locked up.
Hey, baby, we gonna start on that when I come back.
I ain't raffled off a PS5 at the show.
But this hoe really gonna be a spot.
We gotta stop niggas. We down there to the point. We gotta stop niggas from pulling
Get
it
that
up. Like,
Instagram going. I'm telling you, after the way they just seen that, everybody trying to come in this motherfucker.